Today we're going to install the CodeFactory Runtime on Visual Studio 22. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and start Visual Studio. And this will only work with the Windows version of Visual Studio. So once Visual Studio loads, we can load it directly from Marketplace using the extensions. So I'm going to go to Extensions, click Manage Extensions, and then I'm going to go to the search bar and just type in CodeFactory, all one word. Once I do that, I can download the extension. And you'll notice down here, it'll schedule it to be installed once we close Visual Studio. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. We're going to close Visual Studio. And now it's going to go ahead and install the CodeFactory Runtime into my copy of Visual Studio. I'm going to go ahead and modify. And the installation will begin. Now that CodeFactory is installed, I can go ahead and close this and we can restart Visual Studio. Once I'm in Visual Studio, I will have to apply a license before I'll be able to use the runtime. So to do that, I'm going to go Extensions, go to CodeFactory, and we go to License Information. You'll notice here I don't have a license installed yet, so I'm going to go ahead and click the Activate License. From here, I'm just going to go ahead and go out and get my license key. CodeFactory does not charge for license keys, but we do require to have them. So in this case, I'm going to log in with my Microsoft account. I'm going to go ahead and use my corporate account and sign in. Or try to anyway. There we go. Do it again. Let's say go ahead and stay signed in. You'll notice as soon as I log in, if I didn't have a license, you can just sign up for an account and it'll give you one. I'm just going to copy this license key, go over to CodeFactory, just paste it right from the clipboard and activate my license. Now you'll see that all my information is here. I can go ahead and close it out. And now we go back up to CodeFactory. You can see I'm ready to go. From here on out, we can go ahead and start working with CodeFactory.